Androclus and the Lion. Once upon a time, many years ago, a slave whose name was Androclus escaped from his master in search of freedom. He hid in the dense forest which surrounded the village. Suddenly, he heard a noise, and when he turned, he saw a lion. His first thought was to run away, but when he saw that the lion did not move from its position, he turned and approached it slowly. The lion held out its paw in his direction, and the slave saw that the lion had stood on a huge thorn. He immediately took it out, cleaned the wound and dressed it with a piece of his shirt. The lion then felt relieved and in gratitude, started to lick his hand like a dog. Androclus stayed with the lion and brought it meat and food every day. However, one day the soldiers discovered them and arrested both of them. The slave was convicted to be eaten by the lion, which they had left unfed for several days. The emperor, the officers and the people gathered in the arena to see the lion devour Androclus. As soon as they released the lion, it ran towards its prey. As it approached, however, it saw that the prey was his savior. Then, the lion sat beside him and started to lick his hands instead of eating him. Everybody was impressed by the event, and the emperor asked Androclus to explain what had happened. After the slave had related the events, the emperor, moved by the story, set Androclus and the lion free.